Welcome. If you've ever dreamed of speaking English more fluently, you're in the right place. Fluency isn't just about knowing grammar or memorizing vocabulary, it's about communicating your thoughts smoothly and confidently. In this video, we'll explore practical steps and proven strategies to help you unlock your English speaking potential. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, these tips will guide you towards natural, effortless conversations. Let's start this journey together and discover how you can make English a comfortable part of your daily life. Before we dive into techniques, let's clarify what fluency really means. Fluency is the ability to express yourself easily and smoothly in English without frequent pauses or searching for words. It's not about speaking perfectly, but about being able to communicate your ideas clearly and naturally. Many learners worry about making mistakes, but remember, fluency is about flow, not perfection. By focusing on communication rather than accuracy, you'll find yourself speaking more confidently and enjoying conversations much more. To become fluent, it's important to set clear, achievable goals. Ask yourself, why do I want to speak English fluently? Is it for travel, work, or making new friends? Setting a specific goal gives you motivation and direction. For example, you might aim to have a 5-minute conversation with a native speaker or give a short presentation in English. Write your goals down and review them regularly. This keeps you focused and helps you measure your progress over time. Consistency is key when learning any language. Try to practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Daily practice helps your brain get used to thinking in English and makes speaking feel more natural. You can talk to yourself, describe your surroundings, or repeat phrases you hear in movies or podcasts. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you'll become. Remember, small steps every day lead to big improvements over time. One powerful way to boost your fluency is to start thinking in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to form thoughts directly in English. This might feel challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. Start with simple things. Name objects around you, describe what you're doing, or plan your day in English. Thinking in English helps you respond faster in conversations and reduces hesitation. A rich vocabulary gives you more options to express yourself. Focus on learning words and phrases that are relevant to your daily life and interests. Instead of memorizing long lists, learn vocabulary in context through stories, conversations, or real-life situations. Use new words in your own sentences and try to review them regularly. The more words you know, the easier it is to communicate your ideas clearly and fluently. Don't be shy. Practice speaking English out loud as often as possible. Reading texts, repeating dialogues, or even talking to yourself in front of a mirror can help you get comfortable with the sounds and rhythm of English. Speaking aloud trains your mouth and brain to work together, making it easier to recall words and phrases when you need them. Over time, you'll notice your pronunciation and confidence improving. Listening is just as important as speaking. Listen to English as much as you can. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or follow YouTube channels in English. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words, use intonation, and connect ideas. Try to imitate their speech patterns and repeat what you hear. Active listening helps you pick up natural expressions and improves your understanding of spoken English. The shadowing technique is a powerful way to improve your fluency. It involves listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say immediately, trying to match their speed, intonation, and pronunciation. Choose short audio clips or dialogues and practice shadowing them several times. This technique helps you develop a natural speaking rhythm and trains your ear to understand spoken English more easily. Practicing with others is one of the best ways to become fluent. Join English conversation groups, either in person or online. These groups provide a supportive environment where you can practice speaking, ask questions, and learn from others. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone is there to learn. The more you interact with different people, the more comfortable and fluent you'll become. Having a regular speaking partner can make a big difference in your fluency journey. Look for someone who is also learning English or a native speaker willing to help. Set up regular practice sessions where you can have conversations, discuss topics, or role-play real-life situations. A speaking partner keeps you motivated and gives you valuable feedback on your progress. Take advantage of technology to boost your English fluency. There are many apps, websites, and online tools designed to help you practice speaking, listening, and vocabulary. Use language exchange platforms to connect with native speakers, or try speech recognition software to check your pronunciation. Technology makes it easier than ever to practice English anytime, anywhere. Recording yourself speaking English is a great way to track your progress. Choose a topic, record your thoughts, and listen to the playback. Pay attention to your pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. This helps you identify areas for improvement and boosts your confidence as you hear your own progress over time. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each recording is a step forward. Imitating native speakers is a fun and effective way to improve your fluency. Watch movies, TV shows, or interviews in English and try to mimic the way native speakers talk. Pay attention to their accent, intonation, and common expressions. Imitation helps you sound more natural and familiarizes you with the rhythm and flow of English conversations. Mistakes are a natural part of learning any language. Don't let the fear of making errors stop you from speaking. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Native speakers appreciate your effort and are usually happy to help. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. The more you practice, the fewer mistakes you'll make over time. When you're aiming for fluency, it's better to use simple sentences rather than complicated structures. Simple sentences are easier to remember and help you communicate your ideas clearly. As your confidence grows, you can gradually add more complex grammar and vocabulary. Remember, the goal is to be understood, not to impress with difficult words. Phrases and expressions are the building blocks of fluent speech. Learn common phrases used in everyday conversations, such as greetings, asking for directions, or expressing opinions. Using phrases helps you sound more natural and saves time when speaking. Practice these phrases until they become automatic, and you'll find it easier to join conversations. Communication is more than just words. Using body language, facial expressions, and gestures can help you express yourself and understand others better. Nonverbal cues make your speech more engaging and help you convey meaning, even if you don't know the exact word. Practice using gestures and observe how native speakers use body language in conversations. Reading aloud is a simple but effective way to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Choose articles, stories, or dialogues and read them out loud every day. Focus on the rhythm, intonation, and stress patterns of English. Reading aloud helps you get used to the sounds of the language and builds your confidence in speaking. Try to use English as much as possible in your daily life. Label objects in your home, write your shopping list in English, or set your phone to English. The more you surround yourself with the language, the more natural it becomes. Using English in real-life situations helps you remember vocabulary and builds your confidence in speaking. Watching movies, TV shows, and videos in English is a fun way to improve your listening and speaking skills. Choose content that interests you and try to watch without subtitles or with English subtitles if needed. Pay attention to how characters speak, the phrases they use, and their pronunciation. Watching media exposes you to real-life English and helps you pick up natural expressions. Singing along to English songs is a fun and effective way to practice pronunciation and rhythm. Choose your favorite songs, look up the lyrics, and sing along. This helps you get used to the sounds of English and improves your listening skills. Plus, music makes learning more enjoyable and memorable. When you hear something interesting in English, try repeating it or paraphrasing it in your own words. This helps you remember new vocabulary and practice using different sentence structures. Repetition and paraphrasing also train your brain to think in English and make it easier to join conversations. Asking questions is a great way to keep conversations going and learn more English. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification if you don't understand something. Practice asking and answering common questions about daily life, hobbies, or opinions. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll feel in real conversations. A simple way to practice speaking is to describe your day in English. Talk about what you did, how you felt, and what you plan to do next. This exercise helps you use common vocabulary and practice forming sentences. Try recording yourself or sharing your day with a friend or language partner. Role-playing real-life situations is a practical way to prepare for conversations. Imagine you're ordering food at a restaurant, asking for directions, or making a phone call. Practice these scenarios with a partner or by yourself. Role-playing builds your confidence and prepares you for real interactions in English. Visual aids like pictures, flashcards, or mind maps can help you remember vocabulary and organize your thoughts. Use images to connect words with meanings or create mind maps to link related ideas. Visual learning makes it easier to recall information and speak more fluently. Clear pronunciation is essential for fluency. Focus on difficult sounds, stress patterns, and intonation. Use online tools or pronunciation guides to practice. Record yourself and compare your speech to native speakers. The more you practice, the clearer and more confident your speech will become. Tongue twisters are a fun way to improve your pronunciation and speaking speed. Practice saying tricky phrases quickly and clearly. This exercise helps you develop better control over your mouth muscles and makes your speech smoother. Try classic tongue twisters or make up your own for extra practice. Follow English language social media accounts, join online forums, or participate in chat groups. Engaging with English content online exposes you to new vocabulary, slang, and real-life conversations. Comment, share, and interact with others to practice your writing and speaking skills in a fun, informal way. Writing a daily journal in English is a great way to practice thinking and expressing yourself in the language. Write about your experiences, thoughts, or plans. This helps you organize your ideas, expand your vocabulary, and improve your writing and speaking skills at the same time. Fluency takes time and effort. Set realistic expectations for your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Focus on your improvement and enjoy the journey. Remember, every step forward brings you closer to your goal. Motivation is the fuel that keeps you moving forward. Find ways to stay inspired. Set rewards for reaching milestones, join supportive communities, or remind yourself why you started learning English. When you feel motivated, practicing English becomes a joy rather than a chore. It's normal to hit plateaus where progress seems slow. Don't get discouraged. Try changing your routine, learning new topics, or challenging yourself with different activities. Plateaus are a sign that you're consolidating your skills. Keep practicing, and you'll soon notice improvement again. Make English a part of your hobbies and interests. Play games, cook using English recipes, or join clubs related to your favorite activities. When you use English for fun, you're more likely to stick with it and enjoy the learning process. Find creative ways to include English in your everyday life. If possible, travel to an English-speaking country or participate in virtual exchange programs. Immersion is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency. If travel isn't possible, connect with people from around the world online. Practicing with native speakers in real-life situations accelerates your learning and builds your confidence. Regularly review what you've learned and reflect on your progress. Go back to old recordings, journals, or practice exercises to see how far you've come. Reflection helps you identify strengths and areas for improvement. Celebrate your achievements and set new goals to keep moving forward. A positive attitude makes a big difference in your learning journey. Believe in your ability to improve and don't be too hard on yourself. Celebrate small successes and keep a growth mindset. Remember, every effort you make brings you closer to fluency. Feedback is essential for improvement. Ask teachers, friends, or language partners to give you constructive feedback on your speaking. Listen to their suggestions and work on your weak points. Feedback helps you correct mistakes and become a more confident, fluent speaker. While accuracy is important, don't let it slow you down. Focus on communicating your ideas, even if you make small mistakes. Over time, your accuracy will improve naturally as you practice more. Balancing accuracy and fluency helps you speak more confidently and enjoy conversations. Idioms and expressions add color to your speech and help you sound more like a native speaker. Learn common idioms and practice using them in context. This not only improves your fluency, but also helps you understand native speakers better. Don't worry if you don't get them all at once. Practice makes perfect. Storytelling is a great way to practice fluency. Try telling stories about your life, experiences, or even make up your own. Focus on connecting ideas smoothly and using a variety of vocabulary. Storytelling helps you organize your thoughts and speak more naturally in conversations. Mind maps are a helpful tool for organizing vocabulary and ideas. Create mind maps for different topics, linking related words and phrases. This visual method helps you remember vocabulary and makes it easier to speak about a variety of subjects. Mind maps also help you see connections between ideas, improving your fluency. Take time to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reminds you how far you've come. Share your successes with friends or reward yourself for reaching milestones. Every step forward is a reason to be proud. Congratulations on taking steps to improve your English fluency. Remember, becoming fluent is a journey, not a destination. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and enjoy the process. With dedication and the right strategies, you'll find yourself speaking English more naturally and confidently every day. Keep going, you're closer to fluency than you think.